Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about whether or not you can use Monzo in Nigeria. I know this is a question that a lot of people have been asking, especially since Monzo is such a popular banking app in the UK and other parts of Europe. So, I thought it would be helpful to do a video on it to clear things up. Before I get into the details, I just want to say that I'm not a financial advisor. So, if you have any questions about your specific situation, I recommend talking to a qualified professional. What is Monzo? So, let's start by talking about what Monzo is. Monzo is a digital bank that offers a current account, debit card, and mobile app. It's designed to be a simple and easy-to-use banking solution for people who are on the go. One of the things that makes Monzo unique is that it's a mobile-first bank. This means that you can do most of your banking from your phone or tablet. You can also use Monzo's app to set spending budgets, track your spending, and get real-time notifications about your transactions. Can you use Monzo in Nigeria? Now, let's get to the question that you're all here for. Can you use Monzo in Nigeria? Unfortunately, the answer is no. Monzo is not currently available in Nigeria. However, there are a few other digital banks that are available in Nigeria, such as Kuda and PalmPay. If you're looking for a digital bank to use in Nigeria, I would recommend checking out Kuda or PalmPay. They offer similar features to Monzo, and they're both available to Nigerian residents. Why isn't Monzo available in Nigeria? So, why isn't Monzo available in Nigeria? There are a few reasons for this. One reason is that Monzo is not licensed to operate in Nigeria. Another reason is that the Nigerian banking market is already very competitive, and it would be difficult for Monzo to break into the market. What are the benefits of using Monzo? Even though you can't use Monzo in Nigeria, it's still worth talking about the benefits of using it. Some of the benefits of using Monzo include: it's free to join and use. You can set spending budgets and track your spending. You can get real-time notifications about your transactions. You can use Monzo to make international payments. You can get a free Monzo Flex card. What are the drawbacks of using Monzo? There are also some drawbacks to using Monzo. One drawback is that Monzo is not available in Nigeria. Another drawback is that Monzo doesn't offer as many features as some other digital banks. So, that's all I have to say about whether or not you can use Monzo in Nigeria. Unfortunately, the answer is no. However, there are other digital banks that are available in Nigeria, such as Kuda and PalmPay. If you're looking for a digital bank to use in Nigeria, I would recommend checking out Kuda or PalmPay. They offer similar features to Monzo, and they're both available to Nigerian residents. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. I'll see you next time.